Seriously, trust the sun to come out when you don't want it. Right in the middle, I was almost ready to film this and the sun has just come out. I don't mind. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe has got many names. It's got melting chocolate cake, chocolate lava cake, chocolate pudding, mini chocolate cake, whatever you want to call it. The best bit is it's something you can literally prepare in minutes. So if you have suddenly got some friends who showed up, or you want to make something special for your family, for your loved ones, or for yourself, this is ready in minutes and it's melt in your mouth, light, delicious chocolate pudding. Right, let's get baking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So the first thing to do is get the oven nice and hot. So you need either 160 fan or 180 normal oven. So just gonna get some little bit of boiling water in a pan, just a glass bowl. Put 150 grams of dark chocolate. Now, I would recommend you use dark chocolate because it makes the cake really kind of rich and decadent. So yeah, dark chocolate broken up in a bowl over some boiling water. Make sure the pan's not touching the water. Also going to add 150 grams of unsalted butter to this and then let both the things melt together. And while the chocolate is melting, I'm going to quickly get the eggs ready. So I have got here 3 eggs. And I'm also going to add 3 yolks to this. So 3 full eggs and 3 just the yolks. So I'm going to remove the whites in another bowl. I'm going to make a nice meringue with that and use the yolks in here. So this is all the egg whites, which I'll make the meringue in a little bit. So I'll leave it in the fridge and I'm just going to attend to these yolks first. Now we add 80 grams of golden caster sugar. You can use normal sugar too. Just going to whisk this now. So the key is to mix this for a good few minutes until it becomes pale in color. So it's been 4 minutes and just look at that. That's what you want. You want a mixture that holds itself for a few seconds because we're not adding any baking powder to this. This is going to help the cake rise. So it's really important. So this mixture should make 6. So I'm going to get 6 of these molds out. So now we need to grease this. So you could use butter, you could use spray. I'm actually got a bit of spray left. So I'm just going to spray these. Make sure that the cake will come out when it's ready so it doesn't stick to the tins. Bringing back the egg mix, I'm going to add the chocolate to this. So only need 25 grams of plain flour, just a little bit. And I'm also, oops, my finger in there. Just going to put some ground cardamom powder, give it a mix, and then going to add it to the chocolate mix and fold it in. Very extremely carefully, not to lose too much air. Just fold it in as lightly as you possibly can because you want those cakes beautifully light. So you put your tins in here and now I'm going to pour this just using a ladle. I'm going to get this straight into the oven for 12 minutes. Look at that, rising away. I'm only baking 2 at the moment. Look at those beauties. 1 more minute left. It has been exactly 12 minutes. Don't they look beautiful? It's all the mixing of the eggs and sugar that will hopefully would have given the cake the rise, and hopefully it's baked on the outside and melting on the inside. If it's not, just bake for 13 minutes next time. Time to get this out. It feels like there's nothing in here, but there is. So I'm just gonna loosen it from the lip. Just from the lip. Hopefully it should come out. Oh no, it would come out if I didn't. I can't believe it. I messed it up. Let's do the other one. Let's do the other one. And fingers crossed, hopefully I will not drop this one. So make sure you just loosen the lip. Don't be silly like me. I'm going to do the plate here instead of trying to get that off there. Okay, moment of truth. So soft on the outside, gooiness in the middle. I know I messed this up, but Sia's gonna eat this. Aren't you, Sia? Yeah, she says yes. And I'm gonna eat this. You can enjoy it with some cream on top, with some ice cream on top. I'm just gonna eat it like that. That is so good. That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I really hope you're going to try this. You saw from whisking it to baking it 20 minutes and you've got this delicious dessert ready. Join me again for another new recipe. For the time being, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.